Alright, here we have the Kellogg Street Railroad crossing here in Kennewick, Washington. I'm still walking up to it. So, there's a piece of a powered bus there. Alright, hang on. Alright, the first signal's a cantilever. It's is this loose? No, it's just a bare copper ground wire. It's a safe train cantilever, as you can see right there. There's the dot tag. The dot number is 919073D. Right there's the relay case. And the mast lights are Savetran 12 by 24 inch lights that are completely incandescent. And the overhead lights are all more of the same. Savetran 12 by 24 inch light heads that are all incandescent. Up here's gotta do the base first. Siemens base, and then we have a US&S Model 95 gate mechanism. And then more Savetran 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights on the rear, and Ricoh LED gate lights. And the bell is a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. It's actually dead. It doesn't work anymore. It used to, but it don't work now. There are the counterweights. Here's a tag. You find all sorts of stuff by the railroad tracks. I'm gonna cross the street very quickly. Alright, here's the other signal. It's another Savetran cantilever. It has more Savetran 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights all around. And up there too. Maybe even up here. And the bell is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. I do know this one works because I have heard it in action before. And there's the emergency information. And this has a Savetran base this time. US&S Model 95 gate mechanism, Ricoh lock. Oh, and actually it's a different kind of lock style, but Savetran light bracket and Ricoh LED gate. Ricoh LED is for Ricoh incandescence. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm gonna get back some to get an overview of the crossing. See, there's the bell up there. You can see it a bit better. Alright, track views. That way's looking down towards another crossing, and that way's looking down towards Edison Street. Alright, let's get an overview of the crossing here. Alright, that's it. Over and out.